Instagram login, how to sign in to Instagram app. So if you would like to sign in to your Instagram account, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is, first of all, make sure that you download the Instagram application from your respective app stores. Once you've done that, you will come to the login page on Instagram. But before that, if you have not yet created an account, you can go to the create new account option to be able to create your Instagram account using your phone number or email. But if you do have an account, you simply need to enter its username or email address or your mobile number. So if you know your username, just make sure to go ahead and then make sure to enter that. After that, you want to simply type in your password. If you are not sure what password you have typed in, you can tap on the I button right over here to be able to view your current password. Now, after you enter your password, you can tap the login button and you will be successfully logged into your account. But in case sometimes you happen to forget your password, then you can tap the forgot password button. Then based on your username, it will actually give you the options to reset your password using either your phone or email. And after that, you will be able to reset it and choose a new password without having to remember your old password. Bottom line is, after you enter your credentials, you should be able to log in to your Instagram account. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.